Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alex Delgado Forever. Today, I'm going to be doing The Wild Robot on DVD, the unboxing video. So, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so here's The Wild Robot on DVD. This is the collector's edition. There's the spine. Then we got the back. So yeah, this came with the block box to take out of so we could see the actual case. So yeah, this has wrapping in it, so I'm gonna take it out and show you the inside. Okay guys, got the wrapping out. So this is the inside. Nothing in here. It's just a plain disc. Wild Robot. So yeah guys, this is the Wild Robot DVD unboxing. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of my other videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at AlexDelgado780. And thank you so much for watching everyone. Have a great time. Bye.